Hello everyone, Dinesh here. So today I wanted to talk about this topic, is tech overrated in data analysis? Now I have been into data analysis for the last 2 years or so, and therefore I had this opinion which I had to share with you. You can let me know in the comment section if you agree or not. So a lot of newbies contact me and they tell me that I want to enter data science, and they are like, I know Python and I know cloud and I understand how to create machine learning models. So how do I get into data science? Now, of course, they are correct at their place because these are the tools without which you cannot even think of entering data analysis, because this is the blood of data analysis and you need to know these things. But after say 1 or 2 years, you'll master these tools, and therefore you start kind of getting bored with these tools. Also, the question in the first place is that is data analysis about tools? I don't look at it that way. In fact, I look at data analysis in terms of a job to help businesses grow. So there's something known as management consulting. So what is management consulting? It is nothing but advice or suggestions provided by management consultants to help businesses grow. So say for instance, a business, say for instance, Big Bazaar could come up with a marketing problem, that is that we are not having enough stores in Bombay and we want to grow. So let us know what are the kind of areas in which we should open stores, and if we do open, will we be profitable? So then they could go to a management consultant, say McKinsey, and people sitting at McKinsey will analyze the market of Bombay. They'll analyze the other malls which are there at in Bombay and then suggest them what to do. So essentially, this is a suggestion through which Big Bazaar can grow their business. And that's exactly what data scientists do. They help a business grow. Like it could be similar problems, but the only difference is that they use tech to solve these problems. So there's a lot of data. Say for instance, in this problem, they could have data of the past 20 years of a lot of malls, their customers, and they could run a machine learning model to understand that what could be the predicted revenue, right? So tech is what helps these data scientists come management consultants provide the right advice to business. But again, you cannot make the vehicle your destination. In the process of data analysis, these tools like SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python, everything helps you to get the right advice to the business. But you cannot make these tools the most important thing here. The essence of data analysis is helping businesses grow. It is not tech. And of course, you could be on the tech side of the data analysis. You could be a developer, you could be a Tableau developer, and there's no harm in that. But the thing is that after a few years, say for instance in Indian context, once your salary reaches 30, 35, 40 lakhs, people cannot afford, businesses cannot afford a 30 lakhs ka Tableau developer. They'll ultimately ask you to either go to the communication side of it, that is handling stakeholders. It could be clients or internal if you are an data analyst at the company, or they could ask you to lead a team of developers, but you won't be coding at that level. So ultimately you have to reach at a point where you will be providing advice to businesses. You will be the face of the data analysis team, because that's what in essence data analysis is. It's not tech, it's helping people grow. So I think if any of us wants to grow in our careers, in our data analysis careers, we should also be focusing on business understanding, communication skills. In fact, that should be the base of our growth or skill set. That is that you are focusing on the domain, understanding the domain. After a few, like 1 or 2 years, instead of saying that I want to go to the particular company because I like this language, you should be saying that I want to go to a particular company because I love the industry. I want to explore FMCG data analysis. I want to go to a banking company where I do analysis for a cooperative bank or a mutual fund company. Or maybe I want to go to a production company where I do a lot of operation side data analysis, right? So if you move through an industry path instead of moving through a software path, I think that that's where the real growth will be, because data analysis is about helping businesses grow. Thank you.